Holy smokes, gang. Courtney and I just did this crazy hike to this arch, but we didn't get there, but we did get up to here. And the views and everything are totally worth it. This has been extraordinary. Just look at that. We're about to get on this mountain because, as you can tell, the sun's going down and we don't have much daylight left. All right, let's do this. Check it out. That's where we were, way up there. Hey, now we're almost back to the Jeep. Just gonna race back so we can see the cool sunset. Dang. What is that?
Some organ pipe connector.
Yeah. Nice. Oof. What a sunset.